Are you doing all the right things, visualizing, affirming, journaling, but still your manifestations are taking forever or worse, they're not even showing up at all? Here's the truth that no one is even talking about. You are working on the wrong level. And today I'm going to show you exactly what's blocking your speed and how to fix it in the next 7 days. Hey there, I'm Victoria Gallagher. I'm the Law of Attraction hypnotist, #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app with over 1,000 hypnosis sessions inside, and over 25 years helping people to manifest what they want. I've worked with thousands of coaches, entrepreneurs, manifestors who were stuck exactly where you might be stuck right now. And you know what I've discovered after thousands of sessions? Most people are trying to manifest still using their conscious mind. And that's like trying to change a computer program by just staring at the screen. The real work happens in your subconscious mind. And that's what we're going to be diving into today. So, if you are ready to finally understand why your manifestations are moving slowly, and more importantly, how to speed them up, then go ahead and stick with me. So, I have a quick question before we go deeper. How long have you been trying to manifest your current desire? Type speed in the comments if it's been longer than 3 months. I want to know who's in this with me. All right, let's talk about why your manifestations are taking so damn long. Here's what's happening. You're using your conscious mind to try to overwrite old, deep subconscious programming. Think about it. You wake up, you do your affirmations. I am wealthy, money flows to me easily. And then you feel good for maybe like 10 minutes or so. Maybe you visualize your dream life. You see yourself in your new house, driving that car, living abundantly, and it all feels nice while it lasts. But then what happens? You check your bank account and that old familiar feeling comes up, the doubt, but how is this actually going to happen? That subtle anxiety about the bills, the worry about whether you're doing enough, whether you are enough, that right there, that is your subconscious mind speaking to you. And your subconscious mind is just way, way, way louder and stronger than your affirmations ever will be. See, your conscious mind is only about 5% of the mind. The other 95% is your subconscious mind, and it is running programs that have been installed years ago, maybe even decades ago, about what you deserve, about what's possible for you, about what money actually means, what success costs, all of that. So when you're trying to manifest with just affirmations and vision boards, you are literally just trying to overpower 95% of your mind with the 5% part of your mind. So no wonder it's taking forever. Your subconscious is like, sure, say you're wealthy, but remember when mom said that money doesn't grow on trees? Remember when you tried that business and it failed? Remember how hard your dad had to work just to survive? And boom, there's your resistance. There's your delay. There's your block. So the gap between what you want and what you're receiving, it's the gap between your conscious desire and your subconscious beliefs. This is why I need you to type blocks in the chat, in the comments below, if you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but something invisible seems to be holding you back. Because once you see this pattern, everything changes. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Your subconscious isn't actually trying to sabotage you. It's actually trying to protect you. Let me explain. Every limiting belief that you have was installed as a protection mechanism. When you were young and you heard money is the root of all evils, your subconscious filed that away as stay away from too much money so that you can stay safe and good. All right. When you saw your parents fighting about finances, your subconscious learned Money causes conflict, so avoid it to keep the peace. When you got rejected or failed at your business, your subconscious decided playing small, playing it safe is way safer than taking those big risks. So these aren't just thoughts, these are neuro pathways. They're automatic programs that are running 24/7 in the background, creating your reality and attracting your circumstances and determining what actually feels possible and what feels dangerous. Here's the kicker. You can't reason your way out of them. You can't use common sense. You can't affirmation your way out of them. You can't vision board your way out of them because they're not living in your logical, common sense, rational, conscious mind. They are living in your subconscious mind, in your body, in your nervous system. And this is why people can know logically that they deserve more, but they still feel uncomfortable to receive it. That's why you want success, but unconsciously you pull back whenever you start to feel like you're getting close to it. It's why you can desire more money, but you feel guilty sometimes or even anxious when you actually start to make it. Your conscious mind says, yes, awesome. But your subconscious mind says, not sure about that. I'm not sure if this is going to last very long. I'm not sure if I am ready for this. And guess which one wins every single time? It's your subconscious mind. So this is the number one reason your manifestations are slow. It's not because of the universe. That it's not that it's not listening to you. Okay, it's not because you're not worthy. It's because you're trying to override your subconscious programming with conscious willpower and effort. And again, it's like trying to change your computer's operating system by simply typing positive things in a Word document. You're not really going to get very far doing it that way. So I want you to type subconscious if this is hitting home for you. If you're starting to see why nothing has worked as fast as you wanted it to. So what is the solution? What can we do here? You need to work at the subconscious level. You need to actually access and reprogram those deeper beliefs, those automatic responses, those protective mechanisms that are keeping you stuck. And the fastest, most effective way to do that is hypnosis. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Hypnosis, really? Isn't that like some stage magic? No. Clinical hypnosis is one of the most powerful tools we have for accessing and reprogramming the subconscious mind. It's been used for decades to help people to quit smoking in one session, release phobias instantly, heal trauma, and yes, clear money blocks and manifestation resistance. And here's how it works. Hypnosis simply creates a relaxed, focused state where your conscious mind steps back and your subconscious becomes highly receptive. And in this state, we can identify those old limiting programs, we can release them, we can install new beliefs that actually support what it is that you actually want. Not surface level affirmations, but deeply embedded cellular level shifts. This is why my clients manifest in days and weeks instead of months and years. We're not fighting against their subconscious. We're working with their subconscious. We're clearing the resistance at the root. When you remove subconscious blocks to receiving, manifestation becomes natural. Manifestation becomes easier. Manifestation becomes faster because you are no longer divided. Your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are together. They are aligned. You want success? Your subconscious mind feels safe with success. You desire money, and your subconscious mind feels comfortable with lots of money. And that is when everything gets faster. So think about it. When you learn to ride a bike, once your subconscious got it, you never ever had to think about it again. You just get on your bike and you ride. That is the power of subconscious programming. It's the same thing with manifestation. Once your subconscious mind is programmed for abundance, for receiving, for success, you don't have to force it anymore. You just manifest. So type ready if you are done waiting and you want to experience what it's like to have your whole mind working together, working for you, working 24/7 for your manifestations instead of against them. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Victoria, this all sounds great, but how long is this going to take? Well, here is the beautiful truth. When you work at the subconscious level, shifts happen fast. I've seen major breakthroughs in a single session. I've watched limiting beliefs that have been running for 30, 40, 50 years release in minutes. Because once you're working at the right level, the subconscious level, once you're actually accessing the subconscious instead of just talking to your conscious mind, then change happens in an instant. Now, does that mean that everything manifests overnight? Not really. And it's not really normal. But internal shifts, the release of resistance, the open to receiving, all of that happens really, really quickly. So that is why I created a very, very specific process to help you to experience this in just 7 days, not 7 months, not 7 years, 7 days. Because when you know how to work with the subconscious, when you have the right tools, when you have the right guidance, you can create shifts that would normally take years of therapy and decades of personal development work. So this is not about more affirmations. This isn't about trying harder at your visualization. This is simply about getting to the root of what has been slowing you down, clearing it, and reprogramming your mind for speed to get what you actually want. So if you want to start experiencing this right now, I've created the Believe Hypnosis app with over 1,000 guided sessions specifically designed to reprogram your subconscious for manifestation, abundance, confidence, and success. These are not just meditations. These are deep hypnosis sessions that actually access and shift your subconscious programming. And you can find the Believe app in the description and in the comments below. Now, if you want the complete framework and you want me to walk through this exactly with you to identify 7 of the most common specific blocks and then be able to clear them in the next 7 days, go ahead and type in the chat 7 days, because I have created something very specific for that. It's called the 7-day faster manifestation challenge. And it is the exact process I use with my private clients to help them to collapse time and start manifesting what they want in days instead of months. This isn't just theory. This is a step-by-step, day-by-day process to identify what's been blocking your speed and clear it at the subconscious level. And you can start completely in the next 7 minutes just by clicking the link in the description below. I was going to talk about my old price, but right now you can actually start just temporarily for $5. $5, you can start this. It's normally like $33, but you can actually start this right now for $5. And that's because I'm just in the process of like really growing this community fast. Once I get to a certain number of the community, we're going to put the price back up. But right now, we're just focused on faster growth of this community. That's why I've lowered the price down to $5, because I just want to give so many people access to this information. And what you're getting access to is a whole community of manifestors who are doing this work together. You're getting ongoing hypnosis sessions, trainings, and support to keep you aligned and accelerating. Because this is not about just one breakthrough. This is about mastering the skill of subconscious manifestation so that you can create what you want when you want it for the rest of your life. So I just have this special offer going on through the end of January 2026. So if you're watching this years from now and you click this link and you see that the price has already gone up to $55, I'm sorry you didn't see this video earlier, but that is going to be the price in the future. So right now it's just $5. And so if this video helped you to understand why your manifestations have been taking so long, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps so many more people to find this information. Go ahead and subscribe if you want more content on manifestation, hypnosis, how to actually work with your subconscious instead of fighting against it. And then just let me know any questions in the comments because I read all the questions and then that also gives me ideas for what I can talk about in my next video. So just remember, if you're done waiting and you're ready to experience what happens when you clear the blocks that have been slowing you down, go ahead and join me in the 7-day faster manifestation challenge. You can begin right now for just $5, just through January 31st. 2026. Price is going to go back up after that. The link is in the description below, and I will see you there. Once again, stop trying to manifest from the 5% of your brain. Let's get your whole brain on board. So I will see you in the next video, or I'll see you in the Money Manifestation Mastery community. Bye for now.